To add sound, vibrate, mute. To top right corner pointer stop in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, wipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap interaction and dexterity, and then scroll down the screen. Tap auto action after pointer stops, and then on corner actions tap top right, and then tap sounds, vibrate, mute, switch until blue to add, or tap switch until gray to remove. Okay, if you tap switch until blue, you can see sound vibrate mode in top right corner pointer stop menu. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.